a shame. It's a shame in St. Thomas, really. Parish Council, I'm calling on you. The gully need to be cleaned out right away. 20 years I have living in St. Thomas, and it is first something ever look like this at the bakery and cannot go.
Beard. When in a sure and good business place, time me and relax with him foot up counting money. Yes, sir. Watch your Claudia play back same way. Yes, sir.
Sir, General. Right now, nothing can pass, people look there.
It's only old. Can monitor water.
Vehicle that.
Nobody can cross it. It's only who understand it. Like a fisherman and a fisherwoman.
Serious happening are going on this right now, watch out.
If you cannot swim,
serious happening.
trust me, you're going to St. Thomas Park.
And so if we can get a closer shot for now. People out here right now, so the 30 bars up in there, water and walk on the floor.
I told them put that place up.
Yeah. So
come round the two of them.
Okay.
You have to go down in there, so. Why them put that?
See the people, nothing can pass. Water lights right now, nothing can pass.
Nobody can cross it.
No, see it there? Thousands squares. I'm forced to go in my yard. See the people, see the bakery there? Look at the Youngstown bakery. See there? Pure water, look how big up there so. Right back to Prospect. A fear damage are going on in St. Thomas, trust me. Nothing can pass, nothing at all can pass. Look there. Look at the people. Oh my God, man, look there. Look at it. First never seen this in St. Thomas.